Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle and today I will be reviewing Bask Bloom gentle herbal conditioner and the BRAMNI Root hair mask. So I went on their website and I bought them. They had a little, I got a discount for the cleanser. I got it for $13.60 and the original price was $15.99. And for the mask, I got it for $18.70 and the original was $21.99. So if you want to see my review, my honest review, please stay tuned. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And anything you have to ask me, link it in the description box. Thank you. Bye. Also, now I'm applying the herbal cleanser to my hair. As you can see my expression, I wasn't expecting that. It feels really good on my hair. It's very moisturizing. And it says that with the ingredients, it's distilled water infused with sea kelp. It has raw souffle, it has rare roots, it has peppermint leaf extract and avocado oil in it. So it has some pretty good ingredients in it. It's very good. It doesn't lather, I don't think it lather up that much, even though it says to wet your hair, really soaking wet with warm water. This is what my hair looks like after I did the second rinse. And now I'm gonna be applying the mask to my hair. So this is the mask. And this is what it looks like. Very creamy, it's really thick. Smells really good. Smells like mango. It's fruity too. It's very moisturizing. But then when I put it on my hair, I don't think it has that much slip when I added it to my hair. It feels good. But it doesn't have any slip. I'm going with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna go in with my detangling brush. get this brush through my hair. This never happens with my other conditioners that I use. And this is because it doesn't have any slip. See this? I can't. So I'm going to be finishing up this section right here. Guys, as you guys saw that I was really struggling with that in my hair. I was trying to get the detangler brush through my hair, but it was very difficult. And I did use a lot of product. As you can see, it was going all over the place. So I'm just going to be putting my heating cap on my head, and I'm going to be sitting for 30 minutes, and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like after I wash it out. So this is what my hair is looking like after I wash out the mask. It feels pretty good. It's moisturizing. I like the way how it makes my hair feel, and there's no product in my hair right now. So I'm gonna come back and give you my honest review on these two products. So guys, as promised, I said I was gonna give you my honest review on the Bask Bloom Gentle Cleanser and the BRAMNI Mask. So here it is. So for the cleanser, it was it's 8 ounces, and it was worth the price for 8 ounces. I will be repurchasing the cleanser. The cleanser, it had no suds, not really, but I do like my cleansers to have a lot of suds, but it wasn't a problem really. It did make my hair feel clean. It was very moisturizing, and yeah, I did like it. I will repurchase. And for the mask was pretty good too. Hold up, guys. The mask was good. It was very moisturizing too. It made my hair feeling really soft, and you know, it was very strengthening to my hair too. And I guess by using it over time, I'll see the more progress on it. And for the mask, it was it's 12 ounces, and for 12 ounces it was worth the price too. And guys, you're getting what you paid for, right? So the price should not matter. Okay, so I will repurchase this product again, and they have other products that I'm gonna be trying, and then when I try them I will come and review them for you guys if you want me to. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, you could just put them in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.